The price of Cardano ADA fell on Monday in line with the other top cryptocurrencies despite the completion of its hard fork upgrade dubbed Alonzo, which introduced smart contract functionality. The ADA US dollar exchange rate dropped 10.67% to reach its intraday low of $2.30, partly due to profit-taking sentiment among traders following the pair's 1,200% plus price rally this year. Additionally, the intraday sell-off also surfaced in the period of an overall crypto market decline, with top tokens Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, falling 4% and 6.97%, respectively. Cardano's drop appeared when its core foundation rolled out a long-awaited smart contracts feature on its public blockchain for the first time. The launch expects to tap the booming decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible token, NFT, sector as they grapple with slower and costlier transaction fees on the leading smart contracts platform Ethereum. As a result, anticipation for an extended upside boom in the ADA markets was high, with the value trend, a financial analyst at Seeking Alpha, expecting the Cardano native token to hit $10 should it flip Ethereum to become the leading smart contracts platform. Overall, the belief helped ADA/USD deliver strong profits in the days approaching the Alonzo upgrade. On July 20th, the pair was trading for as low as $1. Later, on September 2nd, its value rose to a record high of $3.16, a 200% rebound. Bullish assets tend to consolidate sideways or lower following a strong move upside as some traders decide to secure their profits. At the same time, investors with a long-term bullish outlook buy the asset from weak hands to build long-term investment strategies. The Cardano chart below hints at a similar consolidation phase after ADA delivering a strong 200% plus bull run. As a result, the probability of the ADA US dollar exchange rate continuing its uptrend remains high. The rectangle pattern appears like a bull flag. And, as a general rule, the profit target for bulls in a bull flag scenario is the same as the length of the previous uptrend. A break above the upper bull flag trendline, at $2.93, could put ADA/USD on route toward $4.50. Additionally, the Cardano token would need to maintain its foothold above its 50-day exponential moving average, 50-day EMA, the velvet wave, near $2.27 to keep its interim bullish bias intact. A drop below the bull flag support and 50-day EMA FL. Serbull, another market analyst, said ADA's ongoing plunge was not due to the sell the news sentiment, adding that more capital would flow into the Cardano ecosystem from the DeFi sector. Cardano's ADA token, the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, plunged 8% over the past 24 hours, despite that the blockchain on Sunday launching its long-awaited Alonzo upgrade, which enables smart contract functionality and allows developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps. The token was recently trading at $2.42, according to CoinDesk data. ADA's tumble comes amid a broader sell-off of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was trading at $44,636, down 2.9% over the past 24 hours. Ether recorded a 5.3% loss over the past 24 hours, recently trading at $3,238. The fall for ADA may partly reflect a buy the rumor, sell the news dynamic, but the upgrade could boost ADA's price in the long term, analysts said. The fall for ADA may partly reflect a buy the rumor, sell the news dynamic, but the upgrade could boost ADA's price in the long term, analysts said. The Alonzo upgrade will significantly increase Cardano's functionality and lead to a material increase in its value, Nick Spanos, co-founder of smart contracts marketplace Zap Protocol, wrote to MarketWatch through email. As decentralized finance, or DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, or NFT, record explosive growth, Cardano's capacity to support smart contracts would allow it to better compete with other blockchains such as Ethereum, analysts said.
Typical infrastructure stocks have just been horrendous, and they are a great tell, Carl, for where this bill is. Manchin and Caterpillar.
This is a separate bill from infrastructure, which
but I'm saying nothing.
Waiting. Right.
Everything's stalled.
Yeah.
Everything is stalled. They're making it so that I know Costin's right, but the problem with it is that if there's no urgency, how do we make a judgment that it's going to impact 2021 numbers? I mean, it's hard to.
There's the added layer of, say you got an infrastructure bill, where would the raw materials come from? This Goldman note warning about commodity prices and ongoing scarcity. They're talking about oil going back to 80.
Right.
Aluminums. Yep. Gas.
By the way, you guys seen uranium? I know that's a little offbeat. Well, you see what's going on with uranium?
Actually, no, I'm not that
close. It's out of control. It's gone up enormously, yes, because of potentially recommissioning Nuclear power is clean and
they won't
climate
be.
change and coming around. But yes, uranium has moved up dramatically.
I went to buy a bicycle this weekend. I went in. Have you seen this? I went to see a Trex bike. I forget that, maybe 600, 700. It was 4,000.
I went to PC Richard to buy a speaker, and we were just chatting with the dude. He's like, you want a new Sub-Zero ice maker? July. If you're renovating your kitchen and
July.
you want to, yeah, July.
No, July already happened.
Yeah, no.
I mean, July.
The next one.
July.
Wait for the next one.
And meanwhile, my coffee guy says his costs have gone up 30% also.
We all know it. That's the thing that is so difficult.
It's like, I don't know.
We all know why is the market
prices
down? Well, the market has been going down of late.
A little
I mean,
bit.
I've had a bathroom that's now since February, started February, and it's nowhere. It's nowhere in your glass. Forget it. I mean, you're begging Kohler, private company. There's nothing. I mean, you can't get a job done.
So when is this all going to work its way through?
Into the stock market?
No. When are all these supply chain disruptions going to start to melt away, so to speak? Well, when does this
I think
start
when the
to
ice
moderate?
maker melts away. I think that we're all kind of sitting here thinking, well, if you had bought the speaker, what would it be? If I buy the bike, I try to buy a carbon steel rather than aluminum, but carbon steel's up more than aluminum. I mean, the raw cost of everything, including your coffee guy, which may be the ultimate kind of lipstick indicator.
Yeah.
Now, how his margins must be horrible.
Horrible. Well, also because foot traffic here in this area is down.
But who can handle it? You know, who handles it?
It's not easy for a
Starbucks
small
locked
businessman.
That's why Starbucks 119 going to 125. I think.
The story on Reuters this morning, the headline is, from zippers to glass, shortages of basic goods hobble U.S. economy. But your general view has been, at least on, say, oil, that demand destruction will keep it in check to some degree.
Well, this is where the Saudis have a price that they don't want it to go to 80. The one that we have to talk about, we're going to be talking about all winter, is that natural gas is finally, because we're such an export power and because there's a mismatch with pipelines. David, natural gas is going to end up being the cost for consumers.
You made that point last week on Mad, I know, as well.
I'm not going away on that one. I got a couple of guys talking about how we've exported our way into hell.
Is this just going to get worse?
Well, I think this is a glimpse of what the rest of these commodity markets are really poised to look like in coming months. Because we argue that these markets have gone from a period of pricing demand recovery, the big recovery coming out of COVID, to pricing scarcity. We've now got demand levels well above supply levels that has drawn down inventories, leaving these markets extremely exposed to any type of supply or demand disruption. So you take your point, hey, the wind quit blowing in Europe, you got a pop in the demand for natural gas, you have no inventory, and boom, you're at $22 an MMBTU right now. Put that in perspective, you're trading at $5 per MMBTU in the U.S. But this has the potential to extend into other markets like oil, because you're now pricing above diesel, and you can create that fuel substitution. So we like to argue this is just a glimpse of something that's probably going to be much bigger this winter.
Okay, so what's the next market that can have this